Good morning guys, and welcome to another homeschool day in the life video. Today's video is a little treat because we started in the house, but then we took the rest of our school day outside to enjoy this beautiful weather before it gets too hot. The girls rode their scooters over to the playground as I followed behind them in their car. We took our backpacks, we took snacks and lunch and waters, and we headed over to the table to do school outdoors. Sometimes it's good to just get out of the classroom and hop into a different setting.
Yeah, right here.
And luckily today for language arts with the good and the beautiful level 4, my daughter had an art lesson which her and the little one that I tutor were able to do together. So that was a pretty fun way to start the day, especially being outdoors in nature.
So I can just draw any lines that I want.
The best part of doing school outdoors is the ability to interact with the surroundings, like climbing trees, running in the grass, doing cartwheels, things like that. These are good for gross motor skills, but also to get the girls some energy, like let their energy go, and also give them just experiences in doing normal things like climbing trees.
So what we're doing is after every section that Stella reads, Marilyn is doing her work too. And so after every section, she just learned her vowels. I just taught her the vowels. So after every section, they get to scoot around twice, even though they're going around 3 times now. Watch her. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y. Okay, so now they're going to come back and work, and they're going to read and work. So she's doing teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. We are on lesson 41, I think. And right now she's working on sounding out the words, and then she's going to read this story. So I made a complete video review on this book, and I'll link it at the end of the video. And then Marilyn is doing the good and the beautiful level 4, and she's learning irregular plural sounds right now, the suffixes ants and ents, and some challenging spelling words. Okay, are you ready to read? Start looking at this word here, and I'm gonna come over here and look at Marilyn and see what she needs help with, okay? Start looking at this list here, that way you can scoot again. Again, one more time. Yay! And sound out those 2 words.
So when you first start homeschooling different children of different ages and grades, at first it can become very overwhelming. But once they get used to the structure of things and waiting their turn and getting to be more serious about the work and just being together and is motivating for each other, then it gets a lot easier. However, if you are going to the park, do not always expect to get everything done that you would normally get done if you were at home. But this too is okay.
She's still getting used to being on camera, guys. Yes. Let's look at a different type of problem with more than one operation. Just see what you're.
No matter where you choose to homeschool, or if you are choosing to homeschool another child along with yours, or if you have multiple kids of your own,
All you have to do is say it.
it's important to have them enjoy the process, because learning while having fun, it sticks better with the kids, and it also makes it less stressful for you. I'm really enjoying being able to tutor Stella and homeschool my Marilyn at the same time, while my son is back at home doing his schoolwork alone just like he likes it.